So we are continuing exercise 14b, finding unknown angles in the diagram. Finding unknown angles in the diagram, this means the diagram will be given, and in that you have to find the value of the unknown angles, isn't it? The last sum that we were dealing was 23, in which we were asked to find the angle AOB and angle BOC. Now, angle AOB was 5x and angle BOC was x. You can see angle AOB. Angle AOB was 5x and angle BOC was x. So what we did, we applied sum of angles around a point is equal to 360 degree, added all the angles and finally got x is equal to 12. Now when I got the value of x is equal to 12, this means I got the value of BOC is equal to 12. Now angle AOB was 5x. So angle AOB was 5x. Therefore I had put the value of x over here, which was equal to 12, and got the value of angle AOB equal to 60 degree, and I found out. We will be using the same formula over here also, therefore you need not to get panic. Find each angle, and you know that the theorem we are going to use is the same, that is sum of angles. Sum of angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. Now the problem here will lie in addition, but if we are there, no problem will be there. 2y plus 2y plus 3.5y, 3.5y plus 2.5y will be equal to 360 degree. Now, let us make it easy. 2y plus 2y is equal to 4y plus 3.5 and 2.5. 3.5 and 2.5. 3 plus 2, 5. Half is equal to 1. 3 plus 2, 5. And half is equal to 1. Therefore, 5 plus 1, 6y will be equal to 360 degree. Now 4y plus 6y beta is equal to 10y is equal to 360. Therefore y will be equal to 360 divided by 10 is equal to how much? 36. Now should I write this y in degree? I will not write y in degree because y is not in the form of an angle. Now they are asking you not the value of y, but they are asking you find each angle. Therefore you need to mention each angle. So let me use this sheet. 2y will be equal to 2 times 36 is equal to 72 degree. So I got this value as 72 degree and here also 72 degree. Clear? Now 3.5y. 3.5y. Let us use this sheet, this page. 3.5y is equal to 3 2 times 6 plus 1, 7 by 2y. 7 by 2y means 7 by 2 multiplied by y, and the value of y is equal to 36 to 18 times. Therefore 7 into 18 is equal to how much? Will be equal to 126 degree is our solution. Similarly 2.5y will be equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2y, which will give you 5 by 2 multiplied by y. Y is how much? y is 36. Therefore 2 18 times 5 into 18 is equal to 90 degree. This was also as simple as the other one. Okay. Now in 25, find x. 25, find x if y is equal to 45 and z is equal to 90. Find x if y is equal to 45 and z is equal to 90. Okay, fine. But let me see what have they given. A, B, C, D and E, F are straight lines intersecting at the same point. They have given you that AB is a straight line, CD is a straight line, EF is a straight line. Now why they are straight line? Because they are intersecting at the same point. Only straight line can intersect at the same point. Okay. Now if this is x, naturally this will also be equal to x. Yes or no? So I will write like this. Angle, I will mention angle F, this is your O, okay. Angle FOD is equal to angle COE. COE is equal to x degree. They will ask you why. Therefore I will write vertically opposite angle. This is enough to mention VOA. Better you write VOA. Enough to mention that I have understood that they are vertically opposite angle. Now if this is y, naturally this will also be y, because once again AB and CD are straight lines. So I will write angle AOC. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Angle BOD is equal to y degree y. So the same thing, vertically opposite angles. Now x, z and y. So what I find that if I consider CD as a straight line, if I consider CD as a straight line, okay, CD as a straight line, consider CD, consider straight line CD. Consider straight line CD. I will not mention as a straight line because its CD is already a straight line. So consider straight line CD. X plus Z plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Once again, angle COE plus angle EOB plus angle BOD will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are angles on a straight line. They are angles on a straight line. Now they are angles on a straight line. And what is COE? COE is your X, EOB is your Z, and BOD is equal to Y, is equal to 180 degree. Now they have given X, Y is equal to 45. They have given you the value of Y as 45 and they have given you Z as 90 degree. They have not given you X. Can't you find the value of X? So X plus how much? X plus 90 plus 45, 135 is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 135 will be equal to 45 degree is your solution. Clear? So what we used here, the theorem that we used was that sum of the vertically opposite angles are equal and angles on a straight line. Two theorems have been used over here. Now the second part, when we switch on to the second part, here they say 25 second part, that if x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 5x, and z is equal to 6x, find a. They are asking you to find the value of a. Now this 25 second part cannot be solved without solving 25(1). You have to solve up till x plus z plus y is equal to 180 degree. So if I start solving once again, then in that case, if only this is given, we will solve in the same manner, that angle BOD is equal to angle COA. Angle COA is equal to y degree. You will be asked why. Therefore, vertically opposite angle. Similarly, angle FOD, you can see here, FOD is equal to angle COE is equal to angle COE is equal to x degree. This is your x degree. Why? Vertically opposite angle. And then consider CD, straight line. Consider straight line CD. Consider straight line CD. So when we consider straight line CD, then in that case x plus y plus z will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of angles on a straight line. Now we have come up till here. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. After this we will look here, and I find that the value of x given was 3a. So I will write 3a. Value of y given was 5x. So I wrote 5x. Value of z given was 6x. So 6x is equal to 180 degree. Now 3a plus 6 plus 5, 11x is equal to 180 degree. What do you mean by 11x? 11x means 11 into a. This means 3a plus 11 into, what was the value of x? So the value of x was 3a is equal to 180 degree. Now 3a plus 33a is equal to 180 degree. 36a is equal to 180 degree, and a will be equal to how much? 180 by 36. On solving, you will get the value of a as 5. What 5? You can mention it as no, I cannot mention it as angle because a is not the angle. So a is equal to 45. We were asked find the value of a. These are diagrammatic problems. Therefore, my dear, you need to revision is very important. Revision. Okay. You keep on revising again and again. Only then it will get into your good brain. Okay. Keep studying. I am there. Thank you.